Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to use the Essential Sound panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. This tool is designed to help you fix, clean and balance your audio without needing advanced knowledge. If your voice sounds low, or maybe you have noisy, echoey audio, or you even have a generally bad audio, the Essential Sound panel is where you go to fix it. So this is the first episode in the series of Essential Sound panel tutorial. By the end of this series, you must have learned everything about Essential Sound panel. Every tool there, I will be guiding you step by step on how to use them. It's coming up. The Essential Sound panel is Premiere Pro's built-in audio workspace. It uses smart presets and AI-powered tools to make audio editing faster and simpler. Instead of applying multiple audio effects manually, Premiere Pro groups everything into 4 types, that is, dialogue, music, sound effects, and ambience. Each type unlocks specific tools designed for a specific type of sound. To open the Essential Sound panel, go to the top menu, click on Windows, Workspaces, then Audio, or alternatively, come here, go to Audio. The Essential Sound panel works in 2 simple steps. First, you select an audio clip on the timeline. Let's say I select this audio clip now. We can see 4 audio types are now out here. Like I mentioned, dialogue, music, sound effect, and ambience. The second step is to tell Premiere Pro the type of audio you just selected. For this particular audio I have here, this is a dialogue. So I select dialogue. Once you do that, Premiere Pro activates the correct tools for that particular sound you selected. Assigning the right audio type is extremely important because if you don't, you might spoil the audio and you will not get the right tool to actually get what you want in that particular audio type. Now, let's assume I mistakenly assigned the wrong audio here. You can come here and do clear audio type. Now, note that it is very important that you assign the right type of audio because when you assign the wrong type of audio, Premiere Pro might activate the wrong tools for that particular audio. Take for example, if I assign this dialogue audio as music, you can see that different tools entirely comes out here. I'll clear that. If I assign this audio here as sound effect, different tools comes out for the audio. Likewise, if I assign this audio as ambience, different tools are available for me. So the right audio type for this sound here is dialogue. Speaking about audio types, we can see that there are 4 of them. The first is dialogue. Dialogue is used for voice recordings like talking videos, interviews, voiceovers, and vlogs. Music is used for background music, of course, intros and outros as well. So sound effects are short sounds like whooshes, clicks, hits, and impact sounds. Ambience is used for background noise like room tone, crowd noise, wind, or environmental sound. Each category has its own settings and controls, which we will cover in detail in the next episodes. So make sure you are subscribed and turn on notifications so that whenever these episodes drop, you will be immediately notified. So here are reasons why you should always use the Essential Sound panel. 1. The Essential Sound panel saves time. 2. It reduces the need for third-party plugins. 3. It gives consistent audio levels across your entire video. 4. It is perfect for YouTubers, filmmakers, and content creators. And most importantly, it helps beginners get that professional sounding audio quickly without having advanced knowledge of audio. Honestly guys, I have a lot for you in this series. By the end of this series, you will learn how to fix noisy audio, remove echo and hum, balance music under a voiceover, use auto-docking, enhance speech with AI, mix dialogue, music, sound effects, and ambience properly like a pro. Each episode will focus on one tool or feature so you can easily follow along. If you found this video helpful, like the video, leave a like as it helps the algorithm push the video to other people that wants to see it, and subscribe. Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you will not miss an episode in this Essential Sound series. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next episode.